Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Shauna For Real, where I keep it real. You already know what's the deal. And today I'm here with, say it in.
Zanaya. Hi.
Yeah, and she's getting a transformation today. She's her birthday tomorrow. How old are you turning?
Not 10. 10.
So she's going to be getting some braids and she's about to get lit. So this is her hair now. It's not stretch. You know that black hair girl stretch. You know that black girl magic. So we're going to wash her hair, blow dry it, maybe straighten, and we're going to do some cornrows. So stay tuned, guys. So I went ahead and I washed her hair and blow dried it, and I didn't end up straightening it because I got it pretty smooth from just a blow dryer. And now I'm just sectioning her hair into 3 major triangles because I'm going to be doing all her braids coming from one point. And then I'm braiding her hair down just the 2 sections that I'm not using so it doesn't get in the way of the one I'm going to start with. Now I'm using my edge control. I'm using More's edge control and the olive oil one. The olive oil one sucks, so I just ended up using only the More's because that one's lit. It really sticks really good, guys. If you have, like, you know, some nappy hair now, it will slick those bad boys. And I'm sorry about my top, guys. I did not know it unbuttoned. Now I'm doing the feed-in method, so I'm just taking little pieces of hair as it gradually getting bigger, and I'm putting it underneath my index finger, and I'm just adding and braiding as I go. So I skipped quite a bit just because I was having difficulties filming and braiding, but I'm doing a small braid right now, and all I use is 2 small pieces of the braiding hair, and I just use that just so the braids can be a little bit thicker and a little bit firm. Look how neat that is. I went ahead and slicked her edges, so I'm going to braid this one. This is my last braid. And same method, feeding it in, putting it underneath my index finger. You guys could probably see it better in this clip. Taking the hair, sweeping it underneath my finger, just so you can't tell where you added in the hair. Look how sleek that is. Slay hunty. She's helping me shred the hair at the same time, guys. Now I'm just re-slicking her edges, making sure they're super sleek. I'm using this little edge brush I got here. It comes with a comb on one side and a brush. And I pasted it down. I really scrape it on to her, scrape it up into the braid, I should say. And I couldn't find my tail comb, so I used a color brush to actually slick it inside the braid. I didn't realize I was out of camera here, but I actually went ahead and did the other side, just making a little sweep, just so it looks clean and cute. Now I'm using some mousse, setting mousse, that I'm just putting all over her braids, take down the frizz, and just make everything all neat and stay intact. And I'm using this black wrap band, just so it dries and just holds and stays firm. And I've seen this in a video before. I'm just stitching the bottom of the braids because I don't like how they look separated. I like when they're all close right at the neck. So I just went along and stitched one row at the very top. You can't see the stitching though. Now, hunties, the grand finale. Edges. Okay, we see you, girl.
Hey you guys, I'm so happy what Mashana did to my hair, as y'all seen. So thanks Mashana so much, and I love you guys. And whoever watches my auntie's shows, I want to say hi to my friends. Hi Alicia, hi Jemiah, hi Janessa, Hi Nabila, hi Summer, hi my friends. So thanks so much. I see you guys later on Mashana's whatever channel. Bye.